Are you considering buying a Danby mini fridge? If so, you won't be disappointed.
We bought one of these 3 years ago and put it in our basement family room, in our wet bar.
Whenever we watch movies or TV, we can go over and pick a drink or snack from our Danby mini fridge. We have never had a single issue with it.
We decided to look up what others thought about their own Danby mini refrigerator to see if they are really as good as we thought. Or if we just happened to stumble across a really good one.
Apparently we are not alone. Almost all the reviews we came across were positive.
One feature I really like about my Danby mini fridge is the fact it has no freezer.
We don't keep anything frozen to snack on anyways, so it would have been unneeded.
It is Energy Star rated, so it doesn't add much of anything to my electricity bill.
My unit has a special beverage dispenser that is perfect for holding soda cans. We can also fit a 2-liter bottle in there, which I really appreciate.
We can reverse the way the door opens on our model, and most other models have this option as well.
The 4.4 cubic feet unit has an automatic defrost, so that is one less thing to worry about.
We should mention that the way the top of the Danby mini fridge has been designed lets you use it as a worktop, or even as a little place to set your plate or snack on top of while you watch TV, use the computer or anything else nearby.
Of course, nothing is ever completely without flaws. The only complaints we were able to find are a few people who had theirs die on them within a few days or weeks.
This was very rare, and they were almost always able to get it returned or exchanged.
You can pick up one of these compact fridges for around $150 to $200 depending on the size.
We couldn't be more happy with ours, and we consider it to be one of the absolute best brands of compact refrigerators on the market.